Let's walk through the IMI calculator. IMI is Portugal's annual municipal property tax, and this tool estimates how much you'll pay on a property from just a couple of numbers. First, your property's taxable value, the VPT. This is the value the tax authority assigns to it, shown on the Caderneta pre-dial, not the purchase price. Let's enter 150,000 euros. Next, your municipality's rate. For urban property, it's set each year between 0.3 and 0.45%. We'll use 0.35%. Instantly, the calculator shows your annual IMI, here 525 euros, and breaks down exactly how it is reached. It also tells you how the bill is split. Above 500 euros, IMI is paid in 3 installments in May, August, and November. That's it. Change the value, the rate, or add dependents, and the result updates live. Try it yourself at Calculadora Capital.